A welder qualified to weld in 2G position on pipe would have to qualify in which of the additional position to qualify for all groove welding positions of pipe? Correct answer is 5G. To find correct answer in SME section 9, please visit table QW 461.9, in which it shows if a test piece is welded in pipe groove with 2G and 5G position, the qualified position in groove weld and flat weld will be all positions. For more information, please visit our website weldfabworld.com.